In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a countdown timer on Google Sites. Fast and easy. This straightforward guide is perfect for beginners who want to add an engaging element to their websites, making countdowns to important events a breeze. First, let's navigate to Google Sites. You can do this by simply entering the URL sites google.com in your web browser. This takes you to your Google Sites dashboard, a convenient location where you can create, edit, and manage your sites effectively. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, find and click on the specific site where you want to add a countdown timer. This step is crucial because you need to be in the editing mode of the correct site that you're working with. After selecting your site, you'll be directed to the site's editing interface, where you can make all your desired modifications. Now, take a look at the menu on the right on your editing screen. You'll notice a variety of options for enriching your site's design and function. From this panel, click on the Embed option. It may not seem evident at first, but this is the gateway to adding more dynamic content, including countdown timers, to your website. Once you've clicked on the Embed option, you'll see a couple of choices. Select the Embed Code tab because we'll be embedding a countdown timer via its code. This feature is incredibly versatile, allowing you to incorporate content from external sources seamlessly into your Google site. Next, it's time to get the embed code for your countdown timer. Head over to a site like countingdown2.com. This site offers customizable countdown timers that you can tailor to your event's requirements. After configuring your countdown, copy the embed code provided by the site. Make sure it's perfect before you move it over to Google Sites, as any changes will require repeating the embedding process. Navigate back to Google Sites and paste the embed code into the input field under the Embed Code tab. Doing this ensures that your countdown timer will appear exactly as you designed it on the external site. After pasting, confirm your action by clicking the Next button. This action leads you to the placement interface, giving you a preview of how your countdown will appear on your site. Lastly, don't forget to click Publish. This step makes all your changes live on the web. Publishing enables your audience to see the countdown clock in action. It's a simple click, but crucial for making your work visible beyond the editing interface. By following these steps, you've not only added a countdown timer to your Google site, but also learned how to embed interactive content, enhancing user engagement. Be sure to explore more features that Google Sites offers to continuously improve your website. Happy creating!